Alright everyone, welcome back. So we're out in the Western Sound today. Got a little bit of a late start. I think it's about 5:45. Trying to get out to, try some boulders out here for sea bass. We'll fish some natural bouldery bottom. Try to jig something up. Oh, that was a bass. Little bass boil in front of me. Try to jig something up. Good conditions. Nice overcast day. It does feel kind of bassy today. And we're gonna try and stay on the unmarked side of things. There's a couple marked boulders closer to the buoy, and that's where everybody goes. So that's just like a dead giveaway, and I think this is true for much of the sound. If you see marked boulders, search that area for unmarked ones. So this is kind of what the natural stuff we're gonna fish. All this here. So you can see it's not, there's some decent ones, but it's not massive. The name of the game here, you just kind of work a couple little spots. And there's a lot of boulders here, and they're not as big, but you just kind of look for the biggest ones or the most concentrated patches. Like that's a nice concentrated patch back here. Pause, put our cursor, and mark it. This is a 1.3 ounce. It's the Elias V whiptail shad. I'll put some Procure Manhattan scent on it. Let's just see. Might need a little, all the help we can get right now. So I'm gonna work this thing pretty much the same. Just double jigs. Get these single jigs. I'm just a fan of double jigging. Try white. Let's keep going. Trying this. Pretty sure 3/4 ounce and Elias V whiptail shad. Some Procure Manhattan scent. Looking for sea bass and fluke. Haven't had much luck yet. Maybe feeling some wind now, which might be nice. Might help to slow the drift a little bit, because the drift is just so fast. We're drifting at 1.5. We can get it down to 1. It would be much better. We are struggling to find a bite here. That was a hit. That's a good sea bass. I don't know what that is. Could be a bass, like a straight bass. Yeah, it feels like a striper. It's like a little, probably underslot bass here. Yeah, nice fight. There's just a lot of bass around. I was noticing it out in the middle sound too. There's bass on the porgy and sea bass places. All right, at least we caught something, and at least it tells me that there's some predators in the area. Is that a fish? Yeah. I think it's a fluke. That is a fluke. Oh, shoot, my net is not ready. Oh boy. No idea if it's a keeper or not. I mean, it's been so long since I've caught a fluke. I can't see it with the glare now. That could be a keeper. I'm not sure. Should we net it? I don't think it's a keeper. That's a pretty thick fluke though. Alright, so tip of the tail. Ooh, he's gonna be just short. He's like 18 1/4. He's so close. Oh well. I'll go back over that area too then. We caught one of the target species, which gives me hope. Yeah, maybe just either changing the color or going a little shallower. That's why you kind of have to just keep not doing the same thing over and over, trying to get as close to doing the exact drift as possible. Man, that fluke was really thick too. And I know everyone says that when you catch a short fish, the other qualities besides its length that allows it to be a keeper, you start saying, oh, it's so thick. Oh, it was nice looking. Like when you go to grab it around the shoulder, that was a thick fluke. So he was eating good. I guess the fluke that did make it into the sound are eating good. Oh yeah. Nice sea bass. I think that's a nice sea bass. It's not that big. Yeah, it's 15, not even. 14 and a half. Alright. I guess that's a good sign. Just my... Oof, look at that fat belly. Ooh. There we go again. Complimenting the non-keeper status of the fish. My guess is just there's more forage, there's more bait. These fish are well fed in the shallows. I think after this drift, oh, what is that? Ah, dang. What was that? It's gotta be a sea bass because he came right back. Oh, it's a fluke. Oh. Net him just in case. I don't think he's a keeper. Dude, these fluke are so thick. Oh, dude, another 18 1/4. Yeah. Please give me that back, thank you. Alright, send you on your way. Just short drifting a lot because there's fish like right on this little bump, like a boulder with a bump. Alright, same thing, 3/4 ounce whiptail shad. Just gotta get your bait across the best looking bottom that you can find and just, you know, keep doing that. That's all you can do. Ooh. Oh, somebody's on it. Now I think it's just filled with weeds. Or a small fluke. Dude, what is wrong with him? He's cut. Oof. Oh my goodness. It's maybe a bluefish or a bass or something tried to get him. I've never seen a wound like that on a fluke. Yeah, I don't know. But I think it's a bluefish. I really think the bluefish are wrecking the bottom fishing a bit. Can't believe I haven't had to switch out this shad yet. These things last a while. Alright, let's change it up. Since we're getting shallower and the current's slowing. Alright, this is a 1/2 ounce. Just trying to go as straight as possible. Alright, moved a little bit shallower. We're in like 32 feet. Got some more nice boulders around here. Ooh. It's a fluke. Definitely a fluke. Ooh. Oh. I don't think it was a keeper. Oh, I just dropped on somebody's head. Just so funny how often that happens, where you are just dropping down and boom. Alright, we're even shallower now. 28 feet. Man, always seem to get hit right as soon as I drop. Porgy, I think. Yeah. I think I'm gonna hold off until we get big ones. There was a sea bass there. Nope, it's a porgy. Still not yet, because I haven't caught anything keeper yet. Okay, so after that porgy, I pretty much had to go back, but on my way, I did stop at an artificial piece that really hasn't produced, but I always give it a try on my way back. And as you can see, I marked something here, and then dropped down this little jig worm, and you'll see what happened. And I'm voicing over right now because the sound, unfortunately, on my front camera where I use my microphone just did not record the audio. For some reason, the clip corrupted. Oh, dang, dude. That's a good one. Oh, what is that? It's probably a bass. Oh, it's a big bass, I think. Man, he's got... Oh, what a head shake. He's still on. Is he? Oh. No. Dang. One head shake and bam, he's gone. So yeah, again, apologize for the audio, but yeah, what a heartbreaker. That I think was a really big bass, and you can see here it bent out this hook. Yeah, pretty bad hook. Not using these things again. You'll see in my next video, actually, though. I do use it again, and then after that, I stop using this hook. Alright guys, as always, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.